Hi guys, it's Tony. Today we're looking at a product by Workforce. Okay, so these were bought. These are a size 12. Let's look at the box. It's got a big recycling logo on there. All right. So this was bought online for $21.95. Okay, let's get to it. So inside you've got a nice Workforce tissue there, and then you've got the boots themselves. We've got resistant under there. It just says Workforce oil resistant. Now I'm not sure about these. As I say, these were bought as a present. But I'll try them on. What these are like. Not sure. That's everything that's in the box, guys. So that can go away. Let's try these on. Alright guys, so these are what they look like. Kind of, I'm used to rigger style boots. Yeah, they look alright. I don't know how long they're going to last. Like, I got a size 12 because my feet are an 11, but by the time I put socks on, they're kind of like, you can't get into them. They seem nice, seems alright. Seem more like a going out boot to me. So for me, like, well, I'm just a typical work lad, you know. I'll wear out, but they were given to me as a present, so I was grateful for it. Like, but anyway, thought I'd show you lads what they look like. Trying to be a bit of a model, not doing very well. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're considering getting any, I think they were bought on Amazon like everything else these days. And like this video, why not subscribe? Helps me out. Catch you later.